Hi students, let's see quadratic equation exercise 4.3 part 3. So please make sure that you are watching the previous videos. For that what you will do? You have to subscribe this channel. Okay. So let's start question number 3. Ready? What is the question? Find the roots of the following equations. Question number 1. X minus 1 by x equals 3. X not equal to 0. Ready? So what do you want to do? You have to find the roots, isn't it? So first we'll write one more time. X minus 1 by x equals 3. This implies x I am taking as LCM. Then we took already x as LCM. Then there is no LCM here. So this you have to multiply here, isn't it? That means x into x. X square minus 1. Here is already 1. So minus 1 equals 3. Now what we will do? This implies x square minus 1 equals, see, this x is dividing. So if it goes next side, multiply, isn't it? So what you will do? 3 into x. That means 3x. That implies x square minus 1. See, this 3x goes next side. Minus 3x equal to 0. So we can arrange once. That implies x square. After that x will write next. What is that? Minus 3x. Then last minus 1 equal to 0. Ready? After that we will write equation number 1. After that, comparing equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation for quadratic equation, isn't it? So comparing this equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c. Here now x square, that means which is near to x square, that is a. So x square means 1 into x square. That implies the value of a we will get 1. And what is the value of b which is near to x? See here, minus 3x. That means b equals minus 3 and c equals what you will get? C constant, that is minus 1. Now reality you can use any method to find out this value. Okay, so just I am using quadratic formula. Ready? So what we done? A equals 1, b equals minus 3 and c equals minus 1. Now what you will do? B square minus 4ac. So first we will find out b square minus 4ac equals, what is the value of b? Minus 3. That means minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into, what is the value of a? Yeah, a is 1, isn't it? A into c. C means minus 1. So 1 into minus 1 equals square of 3. 3 3s are 9. But we know that square of minus and minus plus. That means we will get only plus 9. Now minus into minus plus. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. That means 4. So we will get 9 plus 4. What will you get? 9 plus 4? 13. This is greater than 0. Therefore, the equation have real roots. Because if you get b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, you can continue the balance, isn't it? That means we wrote, since 13 is positive number that is greater than 0, so we wrote, therefore the equation have real roots. Therefore what you will write then? Therefore, what is the quadratic formula? X equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a equals the value of minus, what is the value of b? The value of b is minus 3. Here already one minus, so this minus 3 should be inside the bracket. Plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac is 13 divided by 2 into, what is the value of a? Yeah, 1, isn't it? So into 1 equals, now minus into minus plus, so plus 3, that means just 3, plus or minus root of 13 divided by 2 ones are 2. Ready? That means we will write, therefore x equals, now what you will do? plus and minus will separate, isn't it? So we'll write x equals 3 plus root 13 by 2 and next x equals, what you'll do? Plus we took already. Now next will be minus. That means what you'll write? X equals 3 minus root 13 by 2. So these two are the roots of the equation. Question number 2. That's 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equals 11 by 30. X not equal to minus 4 and x not equal to 7. Isn't it? So let's start the answer now. So solution. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equals 11 by 30. Now what you will do first? We have to take the LCM. Since x plus 4, x minus 7, both are different, isn't it? So we will take the multiple as the LCM. That means what you will write? X plus 4 into x minus 7. See? We are taking the LCM as x plus 4 into x minus 7. Ready? Now what you will do in the numerator? Yeah, this will multiply to here. That means x minus 7 will come to here and x plus 4 will go to here. Isn't it? That means what you will write? 1 into x minus 7. So just write x minus 7. Minus this sign and this will go here. That means what you will write? X plus 4 equals 11 by 30. Ready? This implies, see, we'll open the bracket. X minus 7. Now minus into x, minus into plus. See, minus into plus, minus 4. Divided by, we are opening the bracket, x into x, x square, x into minus 7, minus 7x. Now 4 into x plus 4x. Now 4 into minus 7. 4 7s are, yeah. Plus into minus, minus 4 7s are 28. Ready? This equals 11 by 30. Now see, plus x minus x will cancel. See, plus x minus x will cancel. Now minus 7 minus 4. Minus 7 minus 4, minus 11. Because minus into minus plus. So 7 plus 4, 11. That means we'll get here minus 11 divided by, see, x square. Now minus 7x plus 4x. Plus and minus 7, same term, isn't it? See, minus 7x plus 4x. That these two are same term, xx, isn't it? So minus 7 plus 4, what do you do? Minus. So 7 minus 4, 3. But the bigger number is 7, isn't it? So the answer is minus 3x and the balance minus 28 equals 11 by 30. I'll tell one more time. Minus 7x plus 4x. Minus 7x plus 4x. Plus and minus. What will do? Minus. So 7 minus 4. 3. 3x. After that the bigger number is 7. His sign is minus. That is what? Minus 3x. Isn't it? Now what will do? We'll cross multiply. Yeah. Ready? So this into here. That means x square minus 3x minus 28 into this 2 into 11 equals, this will multiply. What is that? Minus 11 into 30. Now both sides we can cancel 11, 11. Ready? This implies x square minus 3x minus 28 equals minus 30. Ready? Now what you will do? This implies x square minus 3x minus 28 and this minus 30 goes next side. Plus 30 equal to 0. This implies x square minus 3x plus into minus or minus into plus minus 30 minus 28 2. but the bigger number is plus, so the answer is plus 2 equal to 0. That's equation number 1. Now what you will write? Comparing equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. General equation, isn't it? That means in place of a, what you can write? This implies the value of a, first one, there is no number means 1. And b, what is the value of b? Minus 3. And c, what is the value of c? Plus 2, isn't it? That means 2. Then what you will do? B square minus 4ac equals, what is the value of b? Minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into, what is the value of a? 1 into the value of c? 2, isn't it? Equals minus square of minus plus 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 4 2s are 8. Isn't it? That means this will get 9 minus 8, 1. Of course, it is greater than 0. Therefore, the equation have real roots. Therefore, what you will write? X equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is this? This is quadratic formula, isn't it? This equals minus the value of b. B is minus 3. So put inside the bracket. Minus 3 minus b means minus is already here. The value of b is minus 3 plus or minus root of, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? 1 divided by 2 into, what is the value of a? 1 equals minus into minus plus. So 3 plus or minus root 1. Root 1 is 1. Divide by 2 ones are 2. So what you will write? Therefore, x equals 3 plus 1 by 2 means what I am doing? Separating plus and minus, isn't it? So this equals 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are. That means x equals 2. And one more value we are getting. X equals 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 ones are. So the answer is 1. Therefore, x equals 2 and x equals 1. So these are the roots of the equation. Okay. Next question, question number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. See, this question one was, question number 4 one was, it is word problem. So what do you want to do? You have to understand nicely the question. After that, you have to make the quadratic equation. After that only we are going to solve the question. Ready? Out. Find his present age, isn't it? So we'll write, let x be the present age of Rahman. After that, 3 years ago, the age of Rahman was, ready, the age of Rahman was, what will you write? It will be x minus 3. 3 years ago, before, isn't it? After that, next 5 years from now means what? 5 years hence. And 5 years hence, the age of Rahman will be, it's going to be future, isn't it? Will be x plus 5. Now what is given in the question? The sum of their reciprocals by this condition, isn't it? That means given the condition, their sum of their reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 by. So what will you write? 1 by x minus 3 plus That means 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equals, already given in the question. What is that? 1 by 3. Alright. Ready? Now we'll solve with this. We'll take the LCM. We know that different denominators, so we have to multiply and take. That means x minus 3 into, x plus 5. These two will multiply. Now here, this will go to here. That means 1 into x plus 5. Ready? Plus, this will go to here. That means 1 into x minus 3 equals 1 by 3. Is it okay? This implies. Ready? Now, we will open with 1 means no need to write 1. So, just we will write x plus 5 plus 1 into means just you can write x minus 3. X minus 3 divided by, we are opening now, x into x, x square. X into 5, 5x, so plus 5x. Again, minus 3 into x, minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Again, minus 3 into plus 5, minus into plus, minus 5 3s are, or 3 5s are, 15. Equals 1 by 3. This implies, see, x plus x, 2x. Now, 5 minus 3 plus 2, isn't it? So, plus 2 divided by, now what you will do? X square. Now, 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x, 2x. 5 minus 3, 2. So, plus 2x minus 15 is already here. Equals 1 by 3. Now, what you will do? We will cross multiply. Ready? This implies, now this will go to here, this will go to here. That means what you will do? X square plus 2x minus 15 into 1. That means you can write x square plus 2x minus 15 into 1 means just same. Equals this 2. Means what? 3 into bracket this 2. 3 into 2x plus 2. Implies. Ready? X square plus 2x minus 15 equals 3 2s are 6x. Isn't it? 3 into 2x. That means 6x. Plus 3 2, 6. Now, this will carry to the next side. This implies x square plus 2x minus 15 is already here. So, 6x goes to next side. It will be minus 6x. Plus minus 6 equal to 0 implies x square, see, 2x minus 6x plus 2 minus 6 plus and minus, what you will do? That means 6 minus 2, 4. That means we will get 4x. But we know that the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 4x. After that, minus 15 minus 6, minus into minus plus, that means 15 plus 6, 21. So, minus 21 equal to 0. Is it okay? So, this will be equation number 1. Now, what you will do? Comparing equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This implies the value of a which is near to x square, that is the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is minus 4 and c, what is the constant? Minus 21. Now what you will do? B square minus 4ac will find out, because we are going to use quadratic formula. So ready? So b, what is the value of b? Minus 4. So minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into, what is the value of a? 1. What is the value of c? Minus 21. So minus 21 equal 4 4s are 16. Square of minus plus, that means 16 minus into minus plus 21 4s are, yes, 84. Now 84 plus 16, 100. So it is greater than 0. Therefore, the equation have real roots, because b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, isn't it? Therefore, x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a equals, ready, what is the value of b? Minus 4. So here minus b. So minus 4. Because the value of b is minus 4, already here minus. Plus or minus root of b square minus 4 is 100 divided by 2 into, what is the value of a? 1 equals, minus into minus plus, that means 4 plus or minus root 100. 10 tens are 100. So square root of 100 is 10. I hope you can understand. Okay. So 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2. Therefore, x equals 4 plus 10 by 2. That means plus and minus we are separating. Equal 4 plus 10, that is 14 by 2 equals 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So we got it. First x equals 7. Let's see the next end. The value of x, again we will take minus, isn't it? So 4 minus 10 by 2 equals plus and minus minus. So 10 minus 4, 6. But the bigger number is 10, it's minus. So the answer is minus 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are. So the answer is minus 3. But we know that h never be negative. Since h never be negative, therefore x equals 7. So the right answer is 7. Next question, question number 5. I'll read the question once. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's mark in mathematics and English is 30. Ready? Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their mark would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. Ready? So there is a condition. So what do you want to do? First you have to make the quadratic equation. Ready? So it's a word problem. So first what you want to do? Please write your question in your copy and keep. Let's start the work. See, Shefali's maths mark we don't know, but they given that mathematics marks and English mark together is 30. So if I take XB maths mark, what will be English mark? 30 minus x, because sum is together is 30. So 1 if I take x, then the balance will be 30 minus x. So what you'll write? Let x be the mark of mathematics. Therefore, what will do? 30 minus x be the marks in English. But given the condition, what is the condition given in the question? See, if she got 2 mark more in mathematics, 2 mark more means what will do? X plus 2, that is 2 mark more in mathematics and 3 mark less in English. English how much she got? 30 minus x. But given 3 mark less, that means minus 3. 3 mark less. Have already 30 minus x is the English mark minus 3. Isn't it? Now, the product of their mark, that means these 2 multiplying, that is the product. So, their product is how much? Is given 210. First we'll write, let x be the mark of mathematics. Who got? Shefali's, isn't it? So, let x be the mark of mathematics. Therefore, English will be 30 minus x, because they given that sum of the mark of mathematics and English is 30. Ready? That means we'll write 30 minus x will be the mark of English. After that, what is given? 2 mark more in mathematics and 3 mark less in English. So, maths is x. So, 2 mark more means x plus 2. And 3 mark less in English means English you have already 30 minus x. So minus 3 because 3 mark less. Their product is already given 210. Ready? Now let's start the work. This implies x plus 2 into, see, 30 minus 3. Because if you open the bracket, 30 minus 3, 27. Minus x equals 210. This implies, now we'll open it, x into 27. 27x. X into minus x square. 2 into 27, yeah, plus 54. Ready? Now, 2 into minus x minus 2x equals 210. Implies, first we'll write minus x square. After that, 27x plus and minus 2x. Minus, so 27 minus 2, 25. That means plus 25x, because it's plus and minus, bigger number is plus, so the answer is plus. Plus 54 is already here. Now 210 comes to next side, it will be minus 210 equal to 0. This implies minus x square plus 25x plus and minus, what you'll do? Minus, isn't it? So 210 minus 54, we'll minus it. So can't do. So we'll take from the next. That means 10 minus 4, 6. Here will be 10 because 0, and we'll carry one more. That means 10 minus 5, and here will be 1. That means 156. So we got it here, 156. But we know that the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 156 equal to 0. Now what will do? So here minus is there, isn't it? So we have to take minus common. So x square, if you take minus outside, minus will become plus, plus become minus. So here will be minus 25x, and this minus will be plus 156 equal to 0. Since the other side is 0, so we can remove this minus direct. Ready? That means implies we'll write x square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. So that is equation number 1. So comparing equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equals x square and a. So what is the value of a? That is 1. And what is the value of b, which is near to x? The coefficient of x, that is minus 25. And of course, constant is c, that is 156. Now what we will do first? B square minus 4ac equals, what is the value of b? Minus 25. The whole square minus 4 into a. A is 1 into, c. C is 156. Now, square of 25. Of course, minus into minus, plus. That means minus square means plus. Ready? But 25 square, 25 into 25. 25 into 25. You have to multiply and write. It will be 625. So, please multiply and check it. It will be 625. It will be 625 minus. Now, 4 into 156. 4 into 156. This you need to multiply. It will be 624. Okay. 624. If you have doubt, please multiply. Ready? So, what you'll get? 625 minus 624. That's 1. Ready? That means it is greater than 0. Therefore, the equation have real roots. Therefore, the equation have real roots. For x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a equals the value of b minus 25. So, we'll write minus of minus 25 because the value of b itself minus 25 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, we got it 1, isn't it? So it will be 1. This is 1. Ready? So 1 divided by 2 into, what is the value of a? 1 equals minus into minus plus. That means 25 plus or minus root 1 is 1, because 1 square is 1. So 1 divided by 2 ones are 2. Ready? Therefore, now what you will do? Separating plus and minus. That means therefore x equals 25 plus 1 by 2 and x equals 25 minus 1 by 2. Ready? That implies x equals 25 plus 1, 26 by 2. That means 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. That means first we got it 13. Again here what you will do? 25 minus 1, 24 by 2. We will cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That means we got it 12. Of course you can take both numbers, no problem. Ready? That means first we will take if x equals 13. That means mass is 13. Then what you will do? Therefore 30 minus 13 equals 17. And if x equals, next is what? 12. Therefore 30 minus 12 equals 18. So mass is 13 and English is 17, or what you will get otherwise, mass is 12 and English is 18. Got it? Someday it may be 13 and 17, otherwise 12 and 18. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So first it is already given, it is a rectangle. Rectangle means length and breadth will be there. And one more thing, rectangular field or rectangle means the corner angles will be 90 degree. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So we don't know the shorter side, so we will write let x be the breadth. Breadth, that means shorter side of the field. Ready? Let x be the breadth of the field. Breadth of the field. And again after that what they given? The longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. So that means and length, that means longer side, is x plus 30, because already given longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter. So length will be x plus 30 and breadth will be x. What is given in the diagonal? The diagonal of a rectangular field. This is the diagonal, corner to corner, isn't it? That diagonal is given 60 meter more than the shorter. That means what? X plus 60. So looking this one, what is this? This is a right angle triangle, isn't it? Because if you can take A, B, C, D, you can say now ABC is a right angle triangle because we know that is a rectangular field. Rectangle means the corner angles are 90 degree, isn't it? That means this is a right angle triangle. Ready? That means what? We can use Pythagoras theorem. That means what? Given longer side square, that means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Ready? This implies what is the value of AC? AC means x plus 60 the whole square equals AB x plus 30 the whole square plus BC. BC is x square. Ready? Now this implies we have to apply one equation, that is A plus B the whole square. See, A plus B the whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. Isn't it? So what is a here? X square, x. A is x, that means a square means x square plus b square. B square means 60 square plus 2ab. 2 into a is x, b is 60. Is it okay? This equals. Now, a plus b, same style. What will do? A is x, b is here 30. That means a square. That means x square plus b square means 30 square plus 2ab. That means 2 into a is x, b is 30. That is 2ab plus already here x square. Okay, this implies x square plus 60 square. 60 into 60. 3600. Ready? If you have doubt, 60 into 60, multiply and check it. What you will do? 60 into 60 means 6 into 6, 36. After that, 2 zeros will put. Ready? Plus 2 into 60, 120. Isn't it? Because 2 6 are 12. And this 0 will put. That is 120. X equals x square plus 30 square. 30 square means 3 3s are 9. 10 square means 100. That means 2 zeros will put. Otherwise, 30 into 30 is 900. Plus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. That means 6 and 0 this. 60 x plus x square. Is it okay? See, both sides, left and right, x square will cancel. Ready? Next step. Say I am going to carry all this to the next side. That means this equals, already here x square plus 60x plus 900. I am writing this step. After that, this will carry to the next side. That means this 120x is plus goes to next side minus 120x. Again 3600. Otherwise 3600 carry to next side. It will be minus 3600. Since we carried all to next side, so here will be 0. So 0 equals x square. Now see, 60x plus minus 120x. Plus and minus. What you will do? See, these two are same term. So 60 and 120. Plus and minus. What you will do? Minus. So 120 minus 60. How much you will get? 120 minus 60. How much? 60. That is 60x. But the bigger number is 120. That is minus. So the answer is 20. After that, 900 plus and 3600 minus. Plus and minus. What you will do? Minus. That means 3600 minus 900. How much you will get? 2700. 2700. Subtract and check it. Okay. This equals. That means 2700. That means what you will write here? The bigger number is minus. So we will write minus 2700. Is it okay? So this implies. Now this entire right side you can write to left side. X square minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. Comparing equation 1. So we will write here equation number 1. Comparing equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this implies a equals 1 because which is near to x square and b is minus 60 and c is a constant. C equals minus 2700. Now we are using quadratic formula. Therefore what you will do? B square minus 4ac equals b. The value of b is minus 60. So minus 60 square minus 4 into the value of a is 1 and c is minus 2700 equals. Square of minus will be plus 60 into 60. That means 0, 0, 2 zeros we can write afterwards. 6 into 6, 36. That means 3600. If you have doubt, you need to multiply 60 into 60. You need to multiply, okay? Now, minus into minus, plus. Ready, what you will do now? 4 into 2700. That means, what you will do mean 4 into 2700. What do you want to do? Just multiply 27 into 4. Okay, after that, the 2 zeros will put. That means what you will do? 4 sevens are 28. 2 in hand, 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. That means you will get 108. Now 2 more zeros. That means what you will get? 10800. Is it okay? This equals. Now we'll add these two. Means what you will do? 3600 plus 10800. We'll add it. Ready? So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 8, 14, 1 in hand. 1 plus 3, 4, and this 1. That means we'll write 14400. That is b square minus 4ac. This is greater than 0. Therefore, the equation have real roots. For x equals, what you will write? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a equals the value of b. Of course, we want minus b. That means minus of, what is the value of b? b is minus 60. So minus 60 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. We got it already. 14400 divided by 2 into a is 1 equals minus into minus plus. That means 60 plus or minus root 14400. That means 00 means 2 zeros, 1 0 you can take out. 44 is the square root of 12 because 12 12s are 12 into 12 will get 144. That means in place of 14400, because we know that 14400, this 144 we will get 12. Out of 2 zeros we will take 1. That means what will be the answer? 120. So 120 divided by 2. Therefore, now what you will do? We are separating plus and minus, isn't it? That means therefore x equals 60 plus 120 by 2 and x equals 60 minus 120 by 2 equals 60 plus 120. What you will get? 180 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So we'll get first one x equals 90. Isn't it? Next one, what you'll do? 60 minus 120 plus and minus, what you'll do? Minus. So 120 minus 60 will get minus 60. So minus 60 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. That means 30. So that is minus 30. But we know that the sides never be negative, isn't it? That means what you will say? It is not possible. It is not possible. That means what you will do? X is 90. Therefore, breadth equals x equals 90 and length of the field. Length equals, what you will write? Length equals, x plus 30 equals 90 plus 30 equals 120 meter. The first one is 90 meter. Okay. So, balance answer will be in the next video. So, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay.